When it comes to your LinkedIn company page, sometimes it can be a little bit challenging to get more followers to your page. Now, you could be very active, doing posts on a regular basis, but sometimes company pages don't get as much love as personal profiles do. And when you're marketing regularly on LinkedIn, there are a couple ways that you can invite people to follow your page. And that's one way of building up awareness that you have this page. Maybe you're just starting with your page. Maybe you've been just trying to re-energize the posts on your page and becoming more active, and you want to invite specific people that are your own personal profile followers to your company page. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to give you a couple tips and strategies so that you can attract more people to your company pages so they get almost as much love, if not more, than your own personal profile. So let's get into that right now. Hey, I'm Lowell Brown from Going Social. I run a digital marketing agency in Toronto, Canada, where I help you with your digital marketing needs. Now, I do everything from Facebook and Instagram marketing tips and advice, especially when it comes to ad campaigns, and I help you with your LinkedIn marketing as well. Now, I do have a LinkedIn marketing course coming up, so if you find this tip helpful, I would love for you to check out more information about my LinkedIn course. And in fact, if you are interested in more details, I'd love for you to show your support. Just comment below LinkedIn course. Now, let's get into this video. We're going to go into screen sharing mode. I'm going to show you exactly how to invite more people to your LinkedIn page so you can grow your following. Let's get into that right now. Okay, we're here on LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn feed. I've got some posts here, but we want to get to our page. How do we do that? Well, we come up here and we go under the Me section here and we click down. We're going to find my Going Social page and we're going to come right here to it. Now you'll see that on the page, I don't have a ton of followers to the page. I'm much more active on my LinkedIn profile than I am here on my page. But I'm changing that and I'm doing more marketing. And with your help, hey, maybe you'll even come here and follow my page as well so you get my latest tips and tricks. But what we want to do is we want to invite some people. So if you scroll down, you'll see invite to follow. That's on the bottom left. Now, don't worry about this Try Premium page. This is a free feature. That's just a little note for them to say, hey, you want to advertise. I am on a free account here. So let's click on invite to follow. And what's going to happen is you're going to see contacts that come up. Now, the first thing to note is that you have a certain amount of credits available. Now, these credits are basically invites. So what it's saying is my credits will refill on April 1st. So I'm recording this at the very end of March. So what I could do is, because I've waited all month, I could invite 250 of my contacts, my personal contacts. Now, again, this is coming into my personal profile contacts, and I can invite those people to my company page. So what I'm going to do, and you're going to see that credits are going to go down, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select some of the people who follow me, and I'm just going to go down and I'm going to select them. Now, typically what I would also do is I would get a little bit specific with these. I may not invite everybody, but as I have new followers, I'll invite them to come in and follow my page. So let's just stop here. Now you're going to see that it says I have 250 credits and I can invite, I've selected 14 people, and all you have to do is click on this invite button. So as you can see, I've successfully, it said, hey, you have invited 14 connections to invite and follow your page. And then it's giving you a little tip: increase acceptance rates by posting more often. So that's a good tip here. And I wanted to circle back on that. Now, if you're just starting out with your company page, even if you're established, consider the fact that you want to remain active, but especially before you invite people, make sure there's some new content on that page. Now, think of it this way. It's a little bit of a psychological thing, but if you're inviting people to follow a page and there's no post there, there's no content, there's nothing of interest, well, what's going to hook them? What's going to hook them to follow your page? So I always recommend you have posted things to your page on a regular basis, that maybe you've pinned some content onto the top of your page. Maybe you've got that featured section enabled. Now, if you don't know how to set up a featured section for your page, or you don't know how to pin content to your page, well, I recently recorded a video here on YouTube. I'd like you to check it out. Just click the link that's going to show. It's going to pop up right at the top here, or you can also find a link in the bio below. Check those out and you will find that you can learn how to do this. But again, when you're inviting people to follow your page, make sure you've got some good, valuable, exciting content there because you want to hook them. It's their first impression. They're either going to check it out because they know you and there is a personal relation there. It could be because your page is set up with a specific topic that's of interest to them. It's in their niche. But if they click on it, if they go to check out your page, let them see you're active. Let them experience the type of content that you're sharing. And when you're doing that, I definitely recommend you balance things out. Balance out the type of content you're sharing. Balance out whether it's video content. Share some video on LinkedIn. It's really, really becoming popular. Balance out some content with regular image posts. Maybe you're doing a carousel post. Wait, carousel posts? Did you know you can do a carousel post on LinkedIn? You know those posts that swipe just like Instagram? I've got another video on that, so check out the link up here if you don't know how to create a carousel post. It's actually one of my most popular videos here on YouTube is how to create a LinkedIn carousel post, so definitely check that out. And if you have created a carousel post before, definitely type in the comment, let me know that you've seen that video or that you do know about carousel posts. Just write carousel in the comments below. So all of these different types of posts, I mean, you could also do a poll. Polls are really good for getting engagement. Ask a question and give people options of answers. Let them see what they want to do there. That's a good engagement post. Do a type of post where you're sharing an event. You could write an article. You could share something from your newsletter. You could share posts from your employees and you could share your own posts. So there's tons of things that you can do. And again, these sort of tips are the things that I'll be covering in my LinkedIn marketing course. Now, if you're interested in that and you want more information, please comment below on this video. LinkedIn course. Let me know that you want to get more information. Let me know that you're interested because I'm in the process of creating those videos and I'd love to hear from you. I would love to hear the type of content that you're struggling with, the type of things that you're struggling with most on your LinkedIn marketing adventure because I want to help you out. I want to create content that you'll find valuable. So let me know below if you're interested in this course and let me know the content that you'd love to see. And that's pretty much it for this video. But you know what? Let's jump back into screen sharing mode. I'm going to show you how to invite more people. Here we go. All right, so we just invited 4. Now, again, see this button at the top is start a post. You could do that. I recently posted, so I'm going to say no thanks. But I want to, again, show you this process and how easy it is. Now, you see how I invited 14. It's telling me I've got 237 left to go. So you could also do things like filtering this list. So I could say I only want people that are in the Greater Toronto area. And I'm looking for people that are, let's say I'm going after realtors. So I want to find people that are, something to do with real estate, show me some results. And then now you see that I've filtered out these contacts and I can filter out who I want to include and invite here. So I'm just going to go down and I'm going to, so this is again, a way for you to really focus in on, and look, they're already following me. This is a way for you to really focus in and narrow down if your page is about a specific niche audience. I do a lot with realtors. I do a lot with other audiences as well. But the most recent posts I did were about real estate, and I think that would be of interest to these people. So I'm going to go down, and there's also a lot of new contacts that I have just recently. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to invite a selection. Let's just get to 20. We'll select 2 more here. So I've got 20 contacts. I'm going to click invite. And again, I've invited 20 more contacts. So I just wanted to bring up that additional filtering feature here because I know it can help you, especially if you're going after different audiences. There is that filter at the top to help you find specific contacts in your network. If you're like me, you've got lots and lots of contacts, but sometimes when you want to really invite specific people of a specific niche audience, that's the best way to do it is with that So I hope this video was informative and helpful. Again, stay tuned for more tips and tricks for LinkedIn marketing. And remember to get more info about my LinkedIn marketing course, which will be coming out soon. Please comment below LinkedIn marketing or LinkedIn course, sorry, if you want more information about that. I hope to have you in the community where not only is it a recorded video course showing you different things, everything from setting up your LinkedIn profile and the best practices for that, to also how to do different types of posts on LinkedIn and some hidden tricks for that, as well as different, ways that you can adjust your profile so that you're seen as a higher person, and much, much more. I've got all kinds of tips and tricks and strategies to help you build up connections, to help you message people directly. All of that will be in this course, and it's at a super low price right now because I'm doing my introductory launch offer. So definitely check that out. But until then, and until I get you in the community where we're also going to be doing some live training, I'd love for you to continue checking out more videos. So be sure to like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye for now.